Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to squarespace.com and I will go to templates. Don't worry if you already have a template that you customized, this will also work. So for the sake of this video, I'll be choosing any template that I want. So for example, I can choose this template and I will start with this design. Wait for it to load a bit. Click on continue. And once I'm here, I can see that it has services, team, and health and safety. So what if I wanted to add a social media drop-down menu? So I will need to go to pages for me to be able to do that. Make sure I am on the main navigation tab. I will click on plus and I'll scroll down until I see the drop-down. I will click on drop-down, rename it to social media, click on enter. And now you can see that social media has been added. So for me to be able to add drop-downs, since this drop-down is still empty, I will go to not linked. Make sure you're on not linked. And I'll click on plus. And there are a lot of types that I can add. I can add another drop-down if I wanted to. A blog, a store, a portfolio. But for the sake of this video, I'll be adding a blank page. And let's say I'll be renaming it to Snapchat. Click on enter. And I'll be adding another one. For example, Twitter. Facebook. Oh, that doesn't work. Let's say I can add YouTube. Let's say I wanted to add them to my drop-down menu. So what I can do is just drag these three here, this drop-down. So I will drag this one, drag Twitter, and drag Snapchat. Make sure these fall under the social media drop-down. So once I've done that, I can hover my mouse on the social media and now you can see that it has reflected. And that is it. That's how you make a drop-down menu in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.